Hey y'all. So relating this to the video on if a star could have habitable planets around it, three things kind of came to my mind, and that was distance, heat, and luminosity in the Goldilocks zone, and all these kind of bounce off of each other. So starting with distance, our sun is a white dwarf, but if we were the same distance away from a red supergiant, for example, we probably wouldn't make it just because it's giving off so much more energy and heat that we would probably be burnt up. So the position of the star would have to be relative to its host star. And so just try to get into that Goldilocks zone where the luminosity wouldn't burn it up. So obviously, if we were a lot farther away, we would be too cold to support life. But if we were close enough to the star, we couldn't support life because it would just be so hot. So I think all of those things kind of bounce off of each other, and it depends on how big the star is, and then how far away or close the relative planets and stars are close to revolving around that host star.